So now that we've used a couple of the application parts, we are going to create our own little form default. And so it's going to be our own little application part. So what we're going to do is create it first. So we're going to go into Create, and then we're going to choose Form Design. And we'll go into Themes. And they just want us to take note that it uses the organic theme as the default theme for any new form. And that is fine. So let's kind of click away from that. And then we're going to be adding a label. And so let's go ahead and do that. So it does not really matter at this point where we put it. I'm going to try to kind of match what they have. And then we're going to key in sample label text. And with that selected, they want boldface applied. And they want the font color to be blue gray accent 3. And they also want a background color of that lighter 80%. So we're going to go into the fill, give them the background color. And we're going to go back over to design because we're going to add some more controls. And we're going to click on the text box button and draw a text box control in the detail section. Okay, so it's this AB/, and I'm going to put this right around the 1-inch mark here. Oop, I think they want it more over. So you are probably going to want to click right around the 2-inch mark on that one. And as far as the formatting of this goes, text 1 for the label unbound is fine. We are going to apply that same formatting as we did to our sample label. So let me select these, go into format. They want bold. And they want the same font and the same color in the background. And the book has you do it in 2 steps, but I just did it in 1. It's a little more efficient. And let's see, we're going to add a combo box next. And I just noticed I'm going to make this just a tad wider. And let's go back over to design, click away from everything here, and we're going to do a combo box, which is probably this one. So we're going to click on that. And then let's click over here on the 2-inch mark to add that combo box. And when the wizard displays, just cancel. They do want the same formatting applied. So I'm going to select both of these. Go into format, and it was bold, the blue-gray, and then that lighter shade. And at this point, they want us to select everything. So I'm going to press Control and the letter A. And then we're going to go into Form Design Tools, Design tab. And we're going to select the More button. And we're going to use this to set control defaults. Okay, at this point, we're going to save this as normal. That's what we're going to call it, normal. And this now becomes our default for forms. So let's close this. And we're actually going to use it so you can kind of see how it works. So we're going to select the work order table. We're going to go into create, and we're going to choose form. And it should use our normal form that we defined. And it did. Now you can see it's got all of the colors that we specified, and it would have that organic theme as well. Now you do not need to worry about printing this, but we are going to adjust the width. So we're going to go into File, Print Preview. And you can see the width is a bit of an issue. So we're going to go into Page Setup. And for columns, the width right now is too big, so we're going to change it to 7.5. And once we do that, we don't have that extra blue on a second page. And we'll close out of this. And yes, we do need to save this. So I'm just going to click on Save, and Work Orders is fine. And then we can go ahead and close.